Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will explain about the concept sheet, class 8th. The subject is chemistry and your topic is the matter. So here, first question is which of the following defines matter? So you know that anything which has mass and it's take up space, that's matter. So B is correct. Dash is the measures of how much matter is object has, so that is its mass. Next one is hardness, shape, color, texture and size are all of matters properties. These are the properties of matters. Fourth one is this measurement is the amount of matter that occupies a given space, that is its volume. You know that a container contains 5 liters milk, so the volume of milk is 5 liters, like that. Okay, now next one is here, next question, that is the diagram given here, solid, liquid and gases. You know when this solid it melts, it will convert it into liquid, and after that this liquid converted into gases, and when condensation is there, so it condenses to form the liquids, this gas, and this liquid it converted into solid. Okay, now the question is asked from that, state these names of the changes for states here. So you will write the change. So A is here, A, this liquid converted into gaseous form, so that is evaporation. Now B is here liquid converted into solid, that is freezing, and C, liquids here gas converted into liquid, that is condensation. Now next one is describe the movements of particles in a solid. So you know that here is movement in case of solid it is very less, but liquid have more movement than solid and less than gas, but gas have most, it have more than solid, it have the movement. So most movement is found into the gas. Here complete this table which is given below to show the properties of solid, liquid and gas. You know that first property is particle movement here, and solid, liquid and gases, in case of that you will compare it. So first is particle movement. You know in solid movement it is very less, and in case of very less, and in case of gas it is very much. Okay, now these solids are closely packed and liquids are loosely packed, and here in gas there is very less attraction. Next one is shape. So solid have a definite shape. In case of solid it have a definite shape, and it have not definite shape, it contains the shape of that container in which it kept, but it have fixed volume. Now in case of gas neither it have fixed shape nor fixed volume. Next one is volume. So here solid have fixed volume, liquid have fixed volume, but in case of gas it have no fixed volume. And density, here in case of solids you know particles are much closer, so density is maximum, but here in liquid the density is less than solid but more than gas, and here in case of gas the density is minimum, that means it have very less density. Students, here dear students, next one is compressibility. To you know that solid are incompressible almost. Okay, so compressibility in solid that is not found, and this liquid is more compressible than the solid but less compressible than the gas, and the gas is most compressible. You know that CNG and LPG that are filled into the bottles, cylinders in compressed form. Okay, now next one is the fill in the blanks with add, heat energy or take energy. That means these are exothermic or endothermic here. To change a solid to a liquid you have to add energy. At first you will add energy, and to change liquid to a solid you have to take energy. Second, take energy, and in third, to change a gas into a liquid. When a gas changes into liquid you will take energy. Second and third both are same. And D, to change a liquid into gas you have to add energy. Okay, Next one is the melting point of the substance is. So that particular temperature at which any substance start to melt, that solid start to melt, that is called the melting point. Like in case of ice, that melts at 0 degree centigrade. Boiling point means that particular temperature at which any substance start to boil, like water, it have 100 degree centigrade melting point, sorry, boiling point, but water's melting point is 0 degree centigrade. Next one is the melting point of ice water is 0 degree Celsius here, and the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Here you will write. When you leave butter out in the hot sun, it will melt. First one is option, and second, change from a solid to liquid. Third, it will start to boil, change in shape. So you know that first, second and fourth, both in these all options are correct. So your correct option is A, B and D. Students, now your concept sheet explanation is completed. Hope that you have understood it well. So you will write it in your notes. You will complete it by writing. Thank you everyone.